I always kind of knew I had sleep apnea, like it was an issue. I always had snoring issues, always had sleep, never getting good sleep. My wife would constantly tell me, like, you woke up, you stopped breathing. It's kind of something you know about, and it's like, okay, I should probably investigate it, because as you get older, you're like, I don't want to have the diabetes, I don't want to have hypertension, So I go and do the sleep study, and I think it was 60 times in 2 hours I felt I was waking up. You think I'm not even getting a whole 2 minutes on average of sleep each night. That's kind of like an eye-opening thing. And then, so after 2 hours of that, during the sleep study, they put me on the CPAP. Couldn't let me continue to just wake up that much. And then another 2 hours of sleeping with that, and it was probably the most refreshing sleep I've ever had was just in that 2 hours, just the first time, doing the CPAP, and then finally when I got set up with everything, how you realize like how much of a difference getting a good night's sleep makes to you, instead of just waking up half dead. Was what I felt like, every day I just wake up, I didn't even drink or, party, and I would wake up and I felt like I just had a hangover. Because I'm not getting, I'm waking up so many times a night. Now I don't do that, and it's nice. I made her put up with it for about 12 years. So yeah, not a very shiny thing. Now she's a lot happier. She can get a good night's sleep too. And it used to be she would have to go to bed a lot earlier than me, because if I was there sleeping by the time she got to bed, and the only thing she would hear was just me just snoring away. We can kind of go to bed at the same time, and it's nice, it does help my marriage a little bit in that way. The temporary discomfort that comes with starting CPAP is not as important as getting that good night's sleep. For me it was almost like I just remember, like I said, leaving that sleep study feeling like at 2 hours I'd got the best sleep I've ever had. Maybe my whole life, just with on the machine. You finally get that, and you get to experience that, and then every night I don't wake up with that tired hangover feeling anymore. It's just subtle changes. Just feeling better, more alert, more having more energy, just not feeling like there's a weight on my shoulders, if that makes sense. Just being able to wake up feeling like you actually slept.